from LaPlante Management. In this video, we're going to talk about financial reporting software, and specifically, we'll be using Fathom, which connects directly with your online accounting software to provide real-time information to you and your team. I'm not even going to cover the analysis side of Fathom in this video, which is incredibly powerful in its own right. We're just sticking to reporting here. If you've watched our videos related to setting up your own chart of accounts and reporting, then you know how to lay the foundation for your financial systems, but something like Fathom can help you take the next step in uncovering actionable data from your business. Now, the reality is you can get basic financial statements directly from your accounting software. If you feel comfortable analyzing and pulling insights from a P&L or balance sheet, it may be enough to just set up your chart of accounts properly. In my experience, business owners are capable of looking at a financial statement, but we'll get a lot more if we translate those numbers into a more visual format. Enter Fathom. To start, let's take a look at a quarterly performance report that I've created for my test business. We start with an executive summary that lays out a few comparisons of key metrics, as well as a graph of actual and projected earnings for the current year. Don't worry so much about what specifically is shown here. Focus on the idea of comparisons and visual representations of your numbers. Moving on, this next page shows a few different charts and graphs covering profitability, revenue, and cash flow. You'll see here that I've provided some written explanations to help the reader, but again, this is fully customizable. You put in the metrics that are meaningful to you or whoever the decision makers are in your organization, and Fathom will fill in the data automatically. Lastly, you can include standard financial statements, and I would recommend doing so. You can see here a comparative P&L and balance sheet by month and by quarter, both of which present different but equally useful depending on the circumstances, levels of detail. Here's what I want you to learn from this. Standard financial reports are great. I've been an accountant most of my career, and I love rows and columns more than most. But I would not want standard reporting to be the only way the financial health of an organization was being presented. Don't trick yourself into thinking that you need an accounting degree to interpret the financial standing of your organization. If you're interested in learning more about financial reporting software, or want some help getting set up or improving your existing software, click the link in the description from YouTube, or click the contact form if you're viewing this from our website. It might feel overwhelming to do this alone, but if you really want to dig into your numbers in an understandable and actionable way, we're here to help. I'm Corey with LaPlante Management. Thanks for watching.